Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how much JavaScript you need before React. Start with the essential JavaScript building blocks. You'll need a solid grasp of variables, data types, and how to write effective functions. Understanding scope and the this keyword is crucial for predictable code. Practice array methods and object manipulation extensively. Finally, get comfortable with asynchronous operations using promises and async/await for handling data. Next, focus on modern JavaScript features that significantly enhance React development. Arrow functions offer a concise syntax and simplify context binding. Destructuring allows for cleaner extraction of values from objects and arrays. The spread and rest operators are invaluable for immutably updating state. Finally, master ES modules for structuring your projects and reusing components. Beyond syntax, practical application is key. Practice conditional rendering using ternary operators and logical and for dynamic UI. Learn how to handle events and pass functions as props, which is fundamental in React. Get comfortable working with forms, controlled components, and managing component state. Developing strong debugging skills with browser developer tools will save you hours. So, how much JavaScript is truly enough before diving into React? You don't need to be a JavaScript guru. Aim for a strong foundational understanding of the core and modern features. Focus on concepts directly applicable to building user interfaces. Start building small React projects early to solidify your learning. Remember, continuous learning is part of the journey, so keep exploring new features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.